Hello friends, welcome to Abhiyami Tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to do data validation using Python in Excel using openpyxl module. Okay, so here I have a timesheet and it is having some columns like this. Okay, so it is having some conditional formatting like whenever you put leave here then it will become yellow, and whenever you put holiday here then it will become blue color. Okay, and some people are entering a leave in this column, D column, but it should have only hours so that I can get the total hours here. Some people are entering leave and holiday. Instead of C column, they are entering in D column like this. Okay. Okay. I want to restrict this. Okay. Leave and holiday, they should not enter in the D column. Okay. So I have written a Python program to restrict the entry of leave and holiday in D column. Okay. So let us see the program. We'll go to the Python. So here I imported openpyxl. Then from openpyxl, I imported data validation. Then I am loading the timesheet here. Okay. This is the timesheet. Okay. So I loaded the timesheet. Let me close this. Okay. I loaded the timesheet. Then I am taking the first sheet from the workbook, that is timesheet. The sheet name is timesheet. Okay. And I have to enter a data validation like this. Okay. So I have taken a DV variable where I am giving the data validation. Type is custom. Okay. And formula one equal to, this is my formula. Okay. So I have to give first cell in that D column. Okay. Let me open and show you. So data validation, always we have to give the first cell, that is D7. Okay, D7 we have to give data validation like this. D7 not equal to holiday and D7 not equal to leave. Okay, we have to give and here. Okay, equal to and D7 not equal to holiday, comma D7 not equal to leave. So this is our formula. Okay, so inside formula we have to give in terms of string. Okay. So I have splitted this into the different strings and I have concatenated with the plus. Okay. So this is nothing but it is equal to this. Okay, guys. Then DV error means you have to, if you go to the data validation, I am giving like this custom and I am giving formula here. Okay. Whatever formula I showed here now, this one I am giving here, and in error alert. Okay. So if you enter the formula, it will show the error alert. Okay. There I am giving the, you cannot enter holiday or leave, and error title is invalid entry, and show message is true. So that whenever you enter something wrong, it will show the invalid entry. Okay. And this data validation I am applying to the range D7 to D36. That is from year to year, where you can enter only numbers, not leave and holiday. Okay, let us run the program and see the output. Okay, guys, let me close this. So this is the program. Then I am adding the data validation to the sheet. Then I am saving the workbook. Okay, guys, let's run and see. Okay, let us open the sheet and check. Okay, so here you cannot enter leave and holiday, right? So enter a leave, for example. So we'll get the, you cannot enter holiday or leave here. Okay, and for example enter holiday here, then it will show you can't enter holiday or leave. Let us open the data tab and check how our formula is. Okay, go to the data and open this. So this is our formula. So whatever we entered we got here, and in error alert whatever we are giving here, right? These things will be there in error alert. Okay, you cannot enter holiday or leave and invalid entry and all. Okay, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhi Tutorials for more such amazing Python and Excel videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.